Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going for a proper ride, whether it's on a quad or a motorbike, so get comfy. I'd love to know who's tried something crazy on a quad or a bike. Or do you have a favorite spot for riding? Drop it in the comments, I'm really curious. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, there's plenty of wild stuff coming up. At the beginning, I'd like to ask you something. How often would you like to see videos like this? Is once a week enough, or would you be up for twice a week? Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. Just look at that amateur move, haha. I make this channel mainly for fun, but I want you to enjoy it as much as I do. I'd also like to know if you prefer some parts without the exhaust sound and with music instead. Let me know what works better for you. This ride is a continuation of vlog number 1, and this story will have a third, maybe even a fourth part. The third episode will be a ride on dirt roads and a return home through the city at night. We'll see whether it ends up being 3 or 4 vlogs. There should be some dirt roads in this area that we'll check out later. We're looking for a gas station where we can grab something to drink and eat. He's such a boss. We're gonna grab something to drink and eat, and then we'll keep going. I can't get over this sky. The sunset is insane. My buddy messaged me saying he heard us riding, so we're gonna make the exhaust roar a bit under his house, haha. That exhaust popping is insane. What do you think? My buddy is grinning from ear to ear, and we're going to find some dusty roads. I'm not familiar with this part of the dirt roads, so we'll take it a bit more carefully. And apparently, people run around here quite often. I'm the only one who can hit the mud puddle. Ugh. We need to hurry a bit. The sun is setting fast and it'll be dark soon. The road is really dry and hard. It doesn't look like it, but I can feel every bump in the holes. Thanks for sticking around and watching for so long. The continuation will be in the next video, where we'll do some drifting on the dirt roads. Don't forget to give a like, drop a comment, hit the bell, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!